Is your favorite video or music suddenly playing mute in Google Chrome? No need to worry. In this video, I'll show you some simple solutions to fix this issue on your computer. So without wasting any time, let's dive into the solutions. Solution 1. Restart Windows Audio Service. To do this, click the search icon here and type in CMD. Then right-click on the command prompt from the search result and select Run as Administrator. Next, click on Yes to give permission. After that, type in netstop audio SRV and press enter. After that, type in netstart audio SRV and hit enter. Don't worry, you can copy these commands from the video description. Now check if you can hear any sound in Chrome. Solution 2. Tweak the Windows audio settings. To do this, open up Settings, then click on System, and then on Sound. Now, from the Output section, select the device you want to hear sound from. Then, increase the volume from here, and check if that fixed the issue. Solution 3. Update your audio driver. To do this, first search for Device Manager and open it. Then click on the little arrow icon next to Audio Inputs and Outputs to expand it. Now, right-click on your audio device and select Update Driver. Now, click on Search automatically for drivers. Now, it'll look for and install any new audio drivers if they're available. If there are no updates available, you'll see this message. Just hit Close. After that, reboot your computer. Solution 4. Reset Google Chrome. For this one, open Chrome again. Then click on the three-dot icon from the upper right corner of the screen. Next, click on Settings from here. After that, click on Reset Settings from the left side menu. Then click on Restore Settings to their original defaults. Next, hit the Reset Settings button. Now Chrome will be resetted and the problem should be solved. So that's how you fix the no sound issue in Google Chrome on PC. If the video did the trick for you, smash that like button. Got any questions? Feel free to leave them in the comments and I'll get back to you real soon. Thanks for watching.